Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a brand new collection to share with you from Hunkydory. This is called Woodland Story by the Riverside, and when I tell you this is the most adorable collection, oh my goodness, this is giving me Beatrix Potter vibes. So I'm going to give you a quick look. It's going to be a quick look because I'm literally rushing for the school run. However, when the postman put it in my hands, I could not open it up quickly, and once I looked, I just wanted to show you guys. So we're going to get through this. I'm going to show you what I've got, and then I'm going to create samples, and they will be at the end of this video for you. So if you enjoyed this kind of video, do please make sure you hit the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow and reach more people. And if you enjoyed today's look at this brand new collection, please leave the video a big thumbs up. So we're going to start with the little book. Oh my goodness, this is how it's come to me, because I'm just designing samples. If you buy it, obviously you'll have a nice cover on yours, you'll have all the pages, but we're going to have a look. So this is the first one. I love the cutouts. I'll be honest, I love that you can turn them into extra ephemera. So we have that. I've got 2 pages of that. Then we have like a scene, so you could easily build a scene on this. These are really nice quality. I know the normal little books are really good quality, but these just feel different. They're a different finish. I think that's because this whole thing is matte-tastic, and the other collections are normally like adorable scoreable. So I don't know, maybe that's why, but they definitely feel different. This is the next one. Oh my goodness, look at that. See what I mean about the Beatrix Potter vibes? Look at those animals. I am loving this. Absolutely loving it. Look at him. Isn't he cute? So I just have one of him. Then we have the mouse with a nice pie. Well, I've got quite a few of her. There was also a game in the 80s when I was growing up called Happy Families, and this is what the characters in my version look like. So that's quite fun. I might have to see if I can find that actually. I haven't thought about that for a long time. Then we have this little, I want to say squirrel or bunny maybe, sitting on a tree, having a little party with this cupcake. Then we have the cutest little hedgehog. Oh my goodness, check him out with the presents under the swings. This collection is going to be so great for me for Philippa's school friends. My daughter started school in September, and I struggle a little bit with making all of them cards. I've got lots of girl stuff, I haven't got so much boy stuff. This is perfect. Look at that. So we have that one. Then we have the frog. I mean, you could easily turn that into a little boy's card. Boys love frogs and all things creepy crawly. So we have him on the rocks with his fishing net. Then we have the duck. I'm not going to use any copyrighted names, but I'm sure you'll get where my head went with these. Isn't she so cute? Then we have a squirrel having a pot of tea. These are, oh my goodness, just the nicest images and papers. And then we have some sentiments, which are always so useful to have, and I've got like 3 pages of those. So I'm super excited to start creating with these. I think they're absolutely divine. I'm so happy that I get to create with this. So let's move on to the main bulk of the collection. So, as I said, it is a matte-tastic collection. Now, if you're new to Hunkydory, that means that the cardstock is matte. Adorable Scoreable is normally got like a sheen to it. It's slightly different. So I do have some different colours of matte-tastic here that I can use for my cards and projects. There's quite a few different shades there. So when they bring out these kinds of collections, you'll normally find a bundle of the coordinating colours available to purchase, and I think if you buy the big collection it's normally in there, but I just asked if I could have some to go with it, which they've kindly sent out. So let's have a quick look at this. So this is foiled. This is like the coordinating cardstock. Can you see that swing is foiled? But how gorgeous is that imagery? So I have 2 of those. Then we have this one, And again, the edges are foiled. Hopefully it's catching in the light. The details on the apron are foiled, around the jam is foiled. It's very delicate foiling, and it's very discreet, but it is there. Then we have, look at this. Now this is only foiled on the top section. The bottom bit isn't that clever? But I love that. I think it's just gorgeous. I love this whole thing. I did have a sneak peek before I started filming, because I was, as I say, on my way out the door, and then I just thought, nope, I've got time, let's go and do this now. Oh, look at that badger. He is, again, foiled. His guitar is foiled. There is some foiling just around the edge here. The basket is foiled. Isn't that just stunning? Then we have, I don't know whether this is a stoat, a weasel or a ferret. I'm not that great with animals, but we have one of those. Now this one isn't foiled anywhere, but it is very, very beautiful, and I love the green and the pink together. And then look, it's floral as well. So we have that one. Then we have this one, which again is not foiled, but it's still incredibly beautiful. You could almost have that on your wall, couldn't you? Isn't it just gorgeous? So I have that one. Then we have the party. I'm just going to call it the party, because let's face it, it's a party. Again, not foiled. So there is a mix of foiled and non-foiled cardstocks with this. Then we have the, I'm going to say otter, going fishing. Again, not foiled. But look at those little butterflies. Aren't they lovely? Now we have some parchment. So, I don't know whether I need to put something under this, or whether you can, oh no, you might be able to see. So I have 2 sheets. Now these are like the scenes, so you just cut it down and use it. I love the middle one, but you could definitely build up a scene on the other 2. But isn't that beautiful? So I have that one. And then I have almost like parchment inserts, but you can easily just cut them down and put them on the card. So I have 2 of those. And again here, like cut them down the middle. So I have those. And then I have some more picture ones. I mean, how gorgeous are these? I just can't even. Aren't they lovely? And those are done on parchment. How clever is that, to get images printed onto parchment that clearly? Then we have our double-sided papers, which again, these do not feel like the double-sided papers normally feel. So normally they are quite shiny and lightweight in your hands, but these feel thicker. But they're beautiful, and they are matte, again, because of the matastic theme. So we've got the beautiful butterflies, and on the back we have just like a plaid checked design. So I have 2 of those. Then we move on to florals. So it's like polka dots in the background with the roses laid over the top, and on the back we have checked blue. Then we have, my goodness, just look, we have a gorgeous tea party. So we've got the cupcakes, we've got ribbons, we've got pink and floral in the background. And we have lots of blueberries and berries. Absolutely gorgeous. And on the back we have like a pink plaid. And then, love it. Look at these balloons. I think these are absolutely delightful. How gorgeous is that? And then on the back, it's just yellow plaid. I think you're guessing the theme now. But I love these. These did make me smile quite a lot. And then we move on to our all-important toppers, our main event for the collection. So with Hunkydory, as usual, all the toppers have names. So this one is called Gone Fishing. And as you can see, they are foiled. They're on the matastic finish. And we have these absolutely delightful characters. We have You Make Life a Picnic. I do love that. We have the Best Day, Best Fishes, For the One I Love, and Hip Hop Hello. So that's the first one. Then we have Afternoon Tea. Again, we have the absolutely delightful characters. I love this cake up here. Then we have Happy Birthday. Tea makes everything better. I mean, doesn't it just though? Tea makes everything better. Nothing compares to laughing with your best friend. Again, very, very true. Then we have A Perfect Picnic. I mean, just look. And we've got a little mole. We didn't have a mole before. Fun fact, when my daughter was born, I spent the first 48 hours of her life calling her Little Mole because that's what she looked like. Anyway, moving on. I love the edge strips. This is the first one that's had the edge strips, and look at those strawberries. Oh my goodness. So we have Wishing You the Most Perfect Day, Happy Birthday, Thinking of You, Handmade with Love, and then we also have the balloons on a tag. Isn't that gorgeous? And then the very last one is Birthday Fun. Again, we do have the edge strips, which I love, and then we have some more ephemera here. We have Happy Birthday and Let's Celebrate. Aren't they divine? So that was a really quick look at the brand new launch from Hunkydory. Please do let me know what you think in the comments below. I am absolutely hooked on this, and I can see me buying this multiple times once I've used up all of the bits they've sent me. I will leave my samples at the end of this video for you to have a look at and see more inspiration. If you want even more inspiration, head over to the Hunkydory website, sign up to the hub, and you'll be able to access the galleries where all the design team work is for each collection under like named albums. I will leave the website linked in the description box. It's not an affiliate link, it's purely just to be helpful. And if you do join up to the hub, which is free, you get 5% off across the whole site, which is even better. But I really hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button because it really helps the channel grow and reach more people. If you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know, as I say, on what you think of this collection in the comments below. I think this is going to be pretty popular and it's going to appeal to a lot of people for a lot of different things. So thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who takes the time out of the day to come and watch my videos. I will be back soon with more videos, so until next time, take really good care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.